Riemet Olenchoi, muthuri wa miaka 41, arashamanira mutino uria riu utumite akorwo akirigitwo thibitarĩ-inĩ ya Narok ari mugunda-inĩ wake akiriira nyanya ciake itigathukangio ni theru.
Saa moja hivi alafu kakuja tu kapita ndaki, alafu na mimi tunaangalia hivi, alafu ndaona mimi nitakula na ninakula tu, naenda peke yake. Mimi tunaenda kushunga nyanya huko chini kwa mtoni, alafu unachunga nyani ya nyanya, alafu ikishunga tu iko na karatasi, unaingia ndani ya karatasi, alafu ikakuja tu ikapita tu karatasi na mimi iko ndani.
Thutha wake gutharikirwo ni nyamu iyo na kumukiria hinya, Riemet ni arahotire kugiriria na aretana, na nirio arata ake eri marokire kumuteithura, no nao ni maragurario ni nyamu iyo ona gutuika o matinagurario muno, na riu ni marigititwo nguraro ciao na makainuka. Tom, uria ni nasu wa thibitarĩ-inĩ ya Narok, augite muthuri ucio aramukira urigitani thibitarĩ-inĩ iyo ona gukorwo ndari na ciara imwe.
He sustained injuries on the left arm. He lost 3 fingers, and he also had some injuries on the face, and all that were taken care of. He underwent surgical toileting, and currently he's stable, and he's on antibiotics, painkillers, and daily dressing. The others were treated at casualty outpatient department and discharged home. We'll keep monitoring him for several days, and as the wound progresses, as he progresses with the healing, maybe it will take like up to 5 days, around 5 days.
Aikari mwena ucio riu ni makaire ruhonge ruria rurumboyanagia na nyamu cia githaka ruhike gwethana na nyamu iyo hamwe na ingi iria irathukangia urimi wao. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ken wa Kuraya.